Hello there. I bet you're expecting some kind of ridiculous advert right now with a penguin in a thong. Or a Sexible monkey. But no, even though I could sell you your own underpants, this is no time for kung fu. It's time to be serious with you, you silly goose. This is a new year. This is a new dawn. This is a new day. And oh baby, if you want to feel good, you've got to stretch your bits. You may be thinking, that's what she said. But no, that is what I'm saying. For I want you to have the best year you can possibly have. And it all starts with getting stronger and flexibler. Yes, to be the flongest and sexiblest that ever once was hereafter. It's time to take yourself more seriously. Start your journey today. Jenni, where's my lunch? Organic.